Hey you guys, welcome to Live in a Country. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the benefits that I have found by putting Wall Planks' Peel and Stick Originals as well as Shiplap in our home and how this might be a great option for you as well. So I have done two of my rooms, one being our master bedroom right here as well as our laundry room in the Shiplap, and I feel like I have a lot of knowledge and experience with this peel and stick method, and so I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys kind of the benefits that I have found by using this product rather than just going to my local hardware store and buying normal shiplap and installing it. So thank you to Wall Planks for sending me this shiplap for our laundry room. I absolutely love it. And let's go ahead and get started. So I love the convenience of this product. It's dropped off directly to your door, which is a mommy must for me because it eliminates the hardware store, car rides, heavy carrying of things. It's directly to your door. I love how I can use less power tools with this product, and I can actually eliminate the miter saw I found by using a utility knife instead. It gives it still that clean look. It just might take a little extra time. Another great benefit of not using the miter saw for this project is it actually makes it noise free. So if you want to do this project while your kids are taking a nap or late at night, this is a great option. I find that miter saws are big, bulky, they're plugged in, and they could be a safety hazard. So using my utility knife, which was really small, and when I was done with it, I could put high up for my kids not to reach. I found that to be a huge plus, and it made me comfortable doing this process while my kids were actually awake. And I found by using the utility knife that it creates less mess, which is absolutely a must for me. The peel and stick method actually completely eliminates the use of a nail gun, which is amazing for me because number one, that could be expensive, and number two, I hate nail guns. And those that are obviously intimidated by power tools, this project is an easy DIY because you really don't have much power tools to be working with. Now the look of it. This is not something you could recreate by going to your local hardware store and buying the wood and painting it and distressing it. It's got this consistent weathered wood, chippy patina look that screams that farmhouse style, but also this professional, sophisticated look, and I absolutely love it. It definitely wouldn't be something that would be easy to recreate. So those are the benefits that I have found in using Wall Planks' Peel and Stick Shiplap. I hope this video could be of help for you in deciding if Wall Planks' Shiplap is a go in your home. So thank you guys so much for watching Living It Country today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.